Do you ever feel your heart racing, your thoughts spiraling, and your mind just trapped in endless what-ifs? That's anxiety. It's a natural response that everyone experiences, but sometimes it can become overwhelming. But here's the good news. You don't have to fight it, and you certainly don't have to ignore it. Today, I'm going to walk you through some simple, science-backed steps to manage anxiety so you can start feeling calm and back in control. So what exactly is anxiety? Think of it as your brain's alarm system. It's a powerful tool designed to protect you from danger. But sometimes, that alarm system overreacts to everyday stress. Thoughts like, I can't handle this, or something bad is going to happen, can trigger your body as fight or flight response. Your heart rate increases, your muscles tense up, and your focus narrows down to just the perceived threat. Here's the tricky part. Trying to avoid or resist anxiety often makes it even worse. Understanding this is the first crucial step. Anxiety is just a signal, not an actual threat. Once you learn to reframe it this way, you can start responding to it with intention, instead of just reacting to it on impulse. The first practical step is mindful observation. All you need is 1 minute. Find a quiet place to sit. Now, just notice your anxious thoughts as they come and go. Don't judge them, don't analyze them, and don't try to push them away. As a thought arises, you can mentally say to yourself, this is just a thought. I am noticing it. This simple exercise is rooted in both cognitive psychology and mindfulness research. It helps create a little bit of space between you and your anxiety. You become the observer of your thoughts, not the victim of them. Next, let's focus on your breathing. This is one of the fastest ways to slow down your nervous system and reduce the physical symptoms of anxiety. We're going to use a technique called box breathing. It's incredibly simple. You'll inhale for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and then hold again for 4 seconds. Let's try it. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold. 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4. Repeat this for 1 to 2 minutes. You'll start to notice your body relaxing with every single breath. This technique physically resets your fight or flight response and gives you a moment of mental clarity. Now for a grounding exercise. This technique is designed to bring your attention directly into the present moment, which is a powerful way to break the cycle of worry. It's called the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. Wherever you are right now, name 5 things you can see. It could be a lamp, a book, a plant. Then, name 4 things you can physically feel or touch. Maybe the fabric of your clothes or the chair you're sitting on. Next, name 3 things you can hear. A clock ticking, distant traffic, the sound of your own breath. Then 2 things you can smell. And finally, 1 thing you can taste, even if it's just the neutral taste in your mouth. This exercise forces your brain to focus on your immediate reality, not on imagined threats, and it can reduce the intensity of anxiety very quickly. After you've observed your thoughts and grounded yourself in the present, it's time for a micro-reflection. This is about gently questioning your anxious thoughts. Ask yourself, is this thought actually useful to me right now? Then ask, what is one thing I can control in this moment? It doesn't have to be big. Just write down 1 small actionable step you can take. Maybe it's sending an email, drinking a glass of water, or tidying 1 corner of your desk. Taking even a tiny step creates momentum and empowers you to move forward despite feeling anxious. Finally, remember that consistency is what truly makes the difference. Make it a daily practice. Spend a minute or 2 observing your thoughts and doing some box breathing every day, even when you're not feeling anxious. When you do feel stress rising, use the grounding exercises. And take a moment to reflect on what you can control. Over time, you'll find that your baseline level of anxiety decreases, your mental clarity improves, and you regain a sense of emotional control. So, I encourage you to start with just 1 minute of observation and breathing today. Just notice how your mind and your body respond. If you found this helpful and want more practical exercises to calm your mind and master your emotions, make sure to subscribe. You can take control of your mental well-being one step at a time. Thanks for watching.